Hello everyone, Young Farmer Boy here, and today we're at the show, and this is part 2. So yeah, we're at another bit of woodwork. Wow. Look at all this. All the wallets and all that. The cattle there that I was talking about. Oh, jeez. Look at all these stools. Bit of dancing going on over there. Daddy! Farmer Phil, Daddy! Daddy, Farmer Phil is there. See, with the buck rake. And then that's the stone picker, and that's 7618.
I really wanted a patron.
Look, that's them there.
The drone is up here above it.
I really want.
Yeah. Daddy, Lurkin's in that. Lurkin. See, Farmer Phil is over there, Mammy.
Where? Is there a competition for your sandwich?
Mommy. See, Farmer Phil. Bobby, Farmer Phil is over there. See? Over there.
Oh, it's Tara. Hello. Can I go and get a picture of Farmer Phil?
Over now in a second. There's a match on now, we're talking out now in a second, Find a friend, she got food.
I think she's looking at it because she's a massy dog.
She got food.
Can we go over to Farmer Phil now?
We'll go over now in a second.
Daddy, can we go over to Farmer Phil now? The YouTube.
Sure, it's young man.
Yeah.
Lurkin's in as well. He's playing the banjo.
The first 3, I think, the 3 years the last year, so he was 2.5. Yearly past.
Very serious looking. He's all diet.
I'll go down and crack.
Please,
Say good.
can you please go over?
Walk over you want. Walk over there you want.
What, can we go with you?
No, Ethan, come on.
I'll go.
Go on, Ethan, you want. Go.
Waiting for you. Can you come with us?
Come on, Ethan. Come on.
Daddy, come on. Aaron, watch the big dog. Sky, big dog. Big dog, Sky, big dog. Daddy. Daddy.
Legs as good as mine.
I was going to like, but
But
you
there-
know, I'd say more chance of winning.
George
than-
from our area. Here, he's a stone picker out with him. And there's Liv and Jessica. make sure to check out what you call it, Farmer Phil's YouTube channel as well. It's very good. He'll also have a video up on this. 7618. Kevi Pekka. Pekka, yeah, Kiwi Pekka. Stone Picker. You've probably seen this in his video. Oh, and they're baling over there. It's a bit too early and there's starting to be a bit of rain.
Okay, right. What about it for a massive round of applause for the gang around front? We have dancing groups, the musicians of all kinds, from Mullerhone, from Mayo, from Ballinamore, from all over Longford and further afield. And really wonderful entertainment. But now we're going to step it up a small degree. These are the county champions.
How much does it cost for 2 goals? How much would it cost for 2 goals?
You gotta go there.
No, you already got your goal.
How much would it cost?
I don't know, it's a fiver for a couple of minutes. Now we've enough, have you?
One. Did you pay?
You paid, yeah. Oh, leave it at that. Come on.
I nearly got it. Oh no, wrong way. Stones up in there. Pick stones up in there. That rotates and it brings the stones around, I'd say, and then puts them in there.
I'm gonna say hello.
So we're here with the stall at Farmer Phil's. So selling everything. Here at the Granard show. Here at Farmer Phil.
Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil and I'm here with, what's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan. So, yeah?
Yeah. We got a video of Farmer Phil. Marty Moan is actually here, I didn't know. That's him there. That's him who's singing. Nice. Good music, isn't it, Dad? Good music.
Yeah. Very good, isn't it?
Yeah. I bought a bit of Farmer Phil merch, one of his bags. I got a bag. And Jessica, his sister, asked me, do you want a bag and a bag and a bag? And I said, no, I'm okay, I'll just take the bag. Marty Bode music is actually class.